Now we will do the second method, eliminate. Here this we say method of eliminating, removing the one variable. Eliminate meaning is remove one variable. So how we can use this method? For that step you can understand. Step 1 is first multiply both the equations by the same suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficient of one variable x or y numerically equal. So whatever the coefficient of x and y, any one coefficients of both x or both y you have to make equal. That is the method. Second is then add or subtract one equation from other so that one variable gets eliminated. Means you have to make equal the coefficients x or y, and then what you do, you will subtract or add so that the same coefficients that we have the variable that will cancel. If you get an equation in one variable, solve the equation in one variable x or y, so obtain to get its value. Means we will get value here x or y, any value we will get here. Here in step 2, if we obtain a true statement is 0 equal to 0, 5 equal to 5, 6 equal to 6, if we get this type involving no variable, there is no variables, will be only the numbers will be 2 equal to 2, 5 equal to 5, that type numbers, then the original pair of equations has infinite many solutions. There will be infinite many solutions you will get if you have true statement. Next is if in the step 2 we obtain a false statement. False statement meaning is 2 equal to 5, 0 equal to 5, 7 equal to 5, that type wrong statement you get. False statement involving no variables, here will be no variables will be, then the original pair of equation has no solutions. So here also we can find out that the equations have infinite solution or no solutions. Okay, substitute the value of x or y in either of the original equations to get the value of the other variables. So this type we will find the value of x or y. You can understand this example. Example 1, to use elimination method to find all possible solutions of the following pair of linear equation. First equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Second equation is 4x plus 6y equal to 7. Here we will make the coefficient of x equal. Coefficient of x in first equation we have 2. Coefficient of x in second equation we have 4. Look here, here we multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1 to make the coefficient of x equal. Then we get these two equations, 4x plus 6y equal to 16, second is 4x plus 6y equal to 7. And then what happen, this we will subtract these, we will get 4x minus 4x plus 6y minus 6y, 16 minus 7 means we get 0 equal to 9, and which is a false statement. And in false statement what I say that the pair of equation has no solutions. All of you understand this? And in same question you do this type and you get 0 equal to 0, 5 equal to 5, then you have infinite many solutions. Now look here students, we will do the questions by elimination method. And in elimination method what we do, we make the coefficient of x or y, any one coefficient we make equal. So here I want to make equal the coefficient of y. So what is the LCM of 6 and 8? 6 and 8 LCM is 24. LCM of 6 and 8 equal to 24. Means you have to make coefficient of y equal to 24. Means here you have to make these both 24. For that, this equation 1 and 2, you have to multiply some numbers. 6 you have to make 24. So what we do? 6 4 ja 24. So equation 1 multiply by 4 and 8 3 ja 24. So equation 2 multiply by 3. Okay, what we get when we multiply? Look here, this you multiply by 4, then 4 4 ja 16x plus 4 6 ja 24, y equal to 15 4 ja 60. So all these number you multiply by 4. Similarly, the second equation you multiply by 3. 6 3 are 18x, 8 3 are 24y, and next is 14 3 are 42. This you subtract. Look here, this you have to subtract or add according to the sign. If you have same sign, you have to subtract. If you have opposite sign, you have to add. Here is opposite sign, so you have to add. Add these, what we get? 34x. This will cancel, equal to 102, and x equal to 102 upon 34. So you will cancel this, you get 3. X equal to 3 you get. X equal to 3 you can put in any equation. You will put in equation 1. Put in equation 1 in place of, look here, in this equation, first equation is 4x plus 6y equal to 15. Here you put x equal to 3. Place of x you put 3. 4 3 are 12 plus 6y equal to 15, and 6y equal to 15 minus 12. So y equal to 6y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. So this type you get answer x equal to 3 and y equal to 1 upon 2. Look here students, we will do the word problem. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of 2-digit number is 9, and 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order of digits. Find the number. Means here sum of digits is given 9, and if you will suppose unit digit is x. You will suppose unit digit is x and the 10 digit is y. So what is the number? If 10 places this one in unit digit, you get y and x. So actually the number is 10y plus x. This is the number. Okay, if you have this type places, means you have 10y plus x. According question, and if you reverse the digits, what we get? We get reverse the digit means place of y x and place of x y, means 10x plus y we get. Look here. Now you can write according question. According question, what is the first case is? First case is that the sum of digit is 9. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Means digits are y and x. So you have to do sum of these 2 digits. Means first equation is x plus y equal to 9. This is the first equation. Second is given to you. Second condition is given that the 9 times this number means this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the digit, means twice of 9 times of this number. This number means this is this number, and 9 times of this is twice of this number. So according this question, you can write here 9 times of this number means 9 bracket 10y plus x equal to twice the reversing the digit means 10x plus y. Now you open the bracket, 90y plus 9x equal to 20x plus 2y. You can transfer this 9x in right hand side, 2y in left hand side. So 90y minus 2y equal to 20x minus 9x. You solve this, what we get? Look here, 90 minus 2 is 88y, 20 minus 9 is 11x. Both sides you can divide by 11. You get 8y equal to x. So you get x equal to 8y. That you put in equation 1. X plus y equal to 9. Here you put x equal to 8y. Place of x you put 8y plus y equal to 9. So 9y equal to 9. Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. You put in equation 1 again. You get x plus 1 equal to 9. So you get x equal to 8. So what is the answer? 2-digit number is place of x, this is y, place of x you have 8 and place of y we have 1. So you have this number is 18. You get this answer is 18. Hope you understand this.